Hey everyone guys, Michael here, and in this video we will talk about crypto again. In the crypto world, Polkadot parachains are generating a lot of buzz. Today we're going to break down the top 3 contenders. Let's get started. Firstly, what is Polkadot? It is a platform that acts like a super highway for cryptocurrencies, connecting different ones to make them faster and more powerful. Parachains are like turbo lanes on the highway, making Polkadot even faster and more efficient. So the main question, could they be your ticket to becoming a millionaire? Let's find out together. Stick around until the end of the video to discover the top 3 Polkadot parachains altcoins and gain valuable insights into the altcoin market in 2024. Tucked away at the end of this video, you will also discover which parachains have the most long-term potential. Alright, let's break down parachains. A parachain is like a special type of blockchain that links up with Polkadot. It lets users make their own blockchains and hook them into Polkadot, making everything work together better and faster. Imagine them as special lanes in the Polkadot highway, allowing different projects to connect to the main road. These parachains are super important because they help Polkadot grow. They act as bridges connecting different parts of the network together. That's why investing in Polkadot parachains is getting more popular. It lets you be part of the network's growth, earn money by staking, and use lots of cool apps. We began to talk about earning. Let's present each of the top 3 popular altcoins. First, there is Acala. It's like a busy marketplace for finance stuff on Polkadot, offering loans, borrowing, and staking. It's safe and works with Polkadot. Next, meet Astar. It's great for connecting different crypto worlds. It helps developers make apps that work on Ethereum and other chains. It's fast, cheap, and safe. Then there is Moonbeam. It's perfect for Ethereum fans on Polkadot. It makes it easy to move your Ethereum apps here. It's safe and won't cost you much. Each of these projects is doing something really special on Polkadot. Feeling bullish on Polkadot's parachain altcoins? Give this video a thumbs to show your support. When we're considering the investment potential of each parachain altcoin, there are a few key things to look out for. Firstly, we need to keep an eye on the trends in the market. This means paying attention to what's popular in the world of cryptocurrency, like a decentralized finance, DeFi, and cross-chain compatibility. It's important to see if the parachains have formed partnerships with other blockchain projects, tech companies, or big financial institutions, and we need to examine the technology behind each parachain. From this point of view, Moonbeam is great for Ethereum developers, making it easy to move their projects from Ethereum to Polkadot using Moonbeam. It's like opening a door for Ethereum fans to join the Polkadot party. It connects with over 100 chains and has hit impressive milestones. Also, Moonbeam's got some cool projects like NFT trading markets and gaming markets, but they're still working on getting more people involved. Astar is also gaining attention with flexibility for developers and partnerships with big names like Polygon and Coinbase. In other words, it's like the superstar of the Polkadot crew, especially in the world of decentralized finance, DeFi. Astar is all about providing a platform for cool apps and DeFi services. It's like the big DAX, decentralized exchange, on Polkadot, meaning it's where folks to go to trade and crypto without a middleman. With Astar, developers can build all sorts of cool stuff using different blockchain virtual machines like Ethereum's EVM and WebAssembly, but lately it's been facing some ups and downs in performance. Lastly, we've got Acala with notable investors backing it. This parachain is one to watch. Think of Acala as the money hub of Polkadot, offering stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, and offering finance services. Acala's big goal is to make it easy for money to move around different chains within the Polkadot ecosystem. This means more liquidity and a stronger network overall. These projects offering exciting investment opportunities. So when we're choosing which altcoins to invest in, Acala, Moonbeam, and Astar seem like promising options for 2024. They are focusing on popular areas like DeFi and cross-chain capability, and they have strong partnerships and advanced technology. But remember to do your homework and understand the risks. And we have to chat about the risks. When it comes to Polkadot parachains, there are few important things to keep in mind. The crypto market can be pretty unpredictable, like a roller coaster. Prices can go up and down quickly. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Changes in rules could impact the value of your investment. Not all projects on Polkadot will succeed. Some may fail due to technical issues for lack of interest. Out of these top Polkadot parachains, which one gets you most excited, guys? Drop your preferences in the comments below and let's discuss. And the competition among different parachains, altcoins, and Polkadot, everyone's aiming for the top spot. They want to attract more developers, users, and investors. Moonbeam, Astar, and Acala are already big names in the game, known for their cool features and services. But as time goes on, one of them might become the leader, offering even better stuff and pulling in more people. And who knows, they might even give Polkadot a run for its money. Moonbeam especially has a good shot with its compatibility with Ethereum. It could become the top choice, maybe even beating Astar. So keep an eye on Moonbeam's token. It could outshine DOT and show some real growth ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, guys. You can find the link in the description below this video or in the pinned comment. In there, I share exclusive content unavailable on YouTube, market reviews, crypto market forecasts, and tips. Plus, I've got a bonus parachain project for you. A cool project with serious potential that just missed the top 3 cut. You can check it out only in my Telegram channel. Don't miss out, guys. Subscribe to my Telegram channel now. Thanks for joining me today. Click the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, comment, share with a friend or relative who is ever interested in this topic. And I wish you guys only successful trading sessions, and bye.